Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins using muffin mix. First, ensure you have all the necessary ingredients, typically a box of muffin mix, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare your muffin tin by lining 12 cups with paper liners or lightly coating them with non-stick cooking spray. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now, let's get to mixing. Empty the muffin mix into a medium-sized bowl. Add the egg, milk, and oil as directed on your specific mix package. Gently stir the ingredients together with a spoon or spatula until they are just combined. It's important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to bake. Carefully place your filled muffin tin into the preheated oven. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Once baked, remove the tin and let the muffins cool for about 5 minutes before transferring them. To make your muffins even more special, consider adding a half cup of chocolate chips, fresh blueberries, or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar to the batter before baking. Once cooled, enjoy your delicious homemade muffins warm, perhaps with a pat of butter or a dollop of jam. They are perfect for breakfast or a snack. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.